G'day punters. Got the max tracks almost installed, just got one more fixing point to make and install. This is the front one here, but I'm missing the front one up there. I've just got to make a bracket between these two braces and weld that in, and they'll be finished. Nice and out of the way. I mean, it's not a heavy load anyhow, so that's all good. Also been fitting up the switches and the gauge for the airbag install as well. So they're in there now. I've got them pretty secure, and the gauge is there as well. I still haven't wired that gauge in yet. That'll be something a little bit later, I think. I've got that digital Wi-Fi one that's already in the cab already, and it picks up these sensors here, the left and right side airbags. So not much else to report. Oh, yeah, one other job I completed as well. Previously I had a Glynn hot water system in the front of the vehicle, and when the front mount went in, it went out. So I don't have the Glynn hot water system, but I've got the water pump up in here now, up here, and I've plumbed that into my 90 litre under tray water tank. That's the outlet over there. I've just put a T-piece in, so I've got a gravity feed one side, and that white pipe goes to the inlet of the water pump, and the outlet side, this side, comes over here to a pressure leak resistant valve there. So I can just hook up my shower raise to that, so I've got an external shower or external wash point under pressure from that pump. The switching for that pump's up in the cab. So that's what else I've been up to. I used Gorilla Glue on this bracket here. You can see that just oozing out the side there. I've also riveted in place as well. And the reason I've used that Gorilla Glue is because the rivets didn't quite come all the way through. And it's good stuff, that Gorilla Glue. Well, that's about it. Going for a bit of a tour up to Yeppoon today. Be up there for a couple of days before I come back. Be towing the camper trailer, which you can see is up the back there. Let's see how it tows on this trip. See if any problems with the boost. Anyhow, that's it for this short video. Catch you next time.